Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the budgets plugin of RedmineUP. That is going to happen on Redmine 7.0.0. This is the currently latest stable version of Redmine. We're in the middle of 2026 and it was released a month ago. And this is going to happen on the Linux Ubuntu 26.04. This 4 here means that it was released on April this year, and it is going to be LTC, which is long-term support Ubuntu. Yeah, so it is going to be used a lot of years ahead. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is to download our budgets zip file, which is downloaded in my downloads folder in my Linux Ubuntu, and it is, yeah, the very latest budgets until the current moment, 109 Pro version. So probably you're going to see this video some years ahead, so this version could be a bigger in your case. Okay, so now I need to open my Linux terminal and change the directory to home, downloads, and double check if the file is here. Okay, so it is good. Now we need to copy it into the Redmine plugins folder. It is done via the command sudo copy and the file itself, and then the path to Redmine. Okay. So please make a note that I have installed my Redmine into this path, but in your case, it could be installed somewhere else in another path and directory. So please double check this before proceeding with this step. Good. Okay, so I click on enter and yeah, change the directory to Redmine plugins and list the files to double check if everything is fine. So we see the zip file now here. We could also check this in the files system. So we need to change the path here on the top. Okay. Good. So we see that we got the budget zip file here. So the next step is to unzip this file via sudo unzip Redmine budgets, and we see that it is successfully unzipped. If we check this with the listing command, we see that the budgets is here successfully unzipped. And if we check on the files system, we see that here it is. It is also visible as folder. Good. So we no longer need the zip file. So we'll just remove it via the command sudo remove and the name of the file itself. So if we list, we see that there is no zip file any longer. So we check here again. Yeah, there is no zip file. Good. So now it is very important that the next two steps are going to be executed in the core Redmine folder and not in the plugins folder. This is very common mistake when the plugins have been installed. So you need to change the directory one step backwards. Good. So we are now into Redmine directory. This is very important. So we execute sudo bundle install, and this is going to install all the needed gems. Good. We see them. And now we need to migrate the database tables. It is done via the command sudo bundle exec rake Redmine plugins. Name, that is Redmine budgets. By the way, this name here is actually the name of the folder. So this is it. And I recommend you to copy paste the commands from our article and paste them in your terminal. But of course, if you wish, you could write them live, letter by letter, as I'm doing it now. It is up to you. Okay, so the last parameter here is Rails and production. This means that the Redmine server is going to be a production one. Good, so we click on enter now, and see that the tables of the budgets are successfully migrated. Okay, so there is one last step that needs to be done. This is the restarting of Redmine. It is up to your situation and configuration. By the way, so if you're using a virtual machine of Redmine, you need to switch it off, then switch on the virtual machine. Also, you could use touch restart, touch temporary restart.txt, and so on. But in my case, I'm running my Redmine in a terminal, in a Linux terminal. So this is it. I run it in this way. So if I close my terminal, then the Redmine is switched off. So I need to switch it on again, and this is the way I restart my Redmine. So I change the directory to Redmine, and oh, sorry, change directory, okay, and execute this command sudo ubuntu exec rel server eProduction to start my Redmine. Wait a little bit. Good. So if I return back and refresh, I see that my Redmine is up and running, and I see also the budgets plugin is successfully in my plugins list. So it has been successfully installed. And now, of course, you could do some configurations of the plugin itself. And yeah, there are a lot of articles and videos on our site how to configure it, how to use it, and so on. So please feel free to check them. Yeah, if you like this video, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the video, and so on. And if you have some questions or problems, or if you just want to say hi to our team, then please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. We're going to help you immediately. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye.